Manta Ray. Northrop Grumman engineers are currently developing a new category of unmanned underwater vehicle, with one of the first models being the Manta Ray still in its prototype phase as it's still under development. There's limited information available, however, it's anticipated that the Manta Ray will be designed for lengthy and intricate missions such as autonomous mine deployment. Between missions, the drone will descend to the ocean floor and enter hibernation mode to conserve energy. The man's modular design allows it to fit into 5 standard shipping Kugelpanzer containers. This tank may look unusual, but it's sure to spark more than a dozen comments from armored vehicle experts. Back in the 1930s, Germany built this unique tank called the Kugelpanzer, which literally translates to ball tank. Remarkably, it still exists today and can be found in the Armored Museum in Kubinka, Russia. Despite its 25 horsepower engine, the tank could only reach a modest speed of 8 kilometers per hour and carry one person. The Kugelpanzer's purpose remains a topic of debate, with one theory suggesting it was a mobile fire adjustment post. Interestingly, the USSR also explored ball-shaped tanks such as Boris Miko's design featured in the World of Tanks game, and Nikolai Vito's more powerful object sphere, which was supposed to reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, travel underwater and suppress enemies with its 55-ton weight and 2 122mm caliber guns. The design was so impressive that Chinese craftsmen once built a moving model using over 10,000 parts. Avon Protection Exoskin S1. Continuously evolving, the Avon Protection Exoskin S1 may look simple, but it provides 24-hour protection against chemical and biological threats, including vapors, liquids, and solids. It also works well with other protective gear, offering radiation protection. The suit is 30% lighter than similar models, while the second suit might not. M110. The U.S. military once required a lightweight self-propelled howitzer that could be easily transported by aircraft. After some deliberation, engineers came up with not with what's in the picture, but something even better. The M110, with its unassuming name, entered production in 1962 and remains in service in countries like Greece and Iran. Among others, why not? After all, it's one of the most powerful howitzers of the 20th century, with its 23.2mm caliber still impressing today. Its range of 24 kilometers and speed of 55 kilometers per hour allowed the M110 to be used in various conflict, from the Vietnam War to the Persian Gulf War. Rheinmetall HX trucks made their debut. Rheinmetall HX3 Common Tactical Truck. In 2003, and were so successful that the British Armed Forces placed the first order. It's easy to see why, considering these vehicles can traverse a 40% side slope and cross fords up to 1.5 m deep today. An even more advanced model, the HX3, is available. Each improvement is truly impressive. For instance, engineers have enhanced cap protection while also improving visibility. An optional new active suspension system on the rear axles increases off-road maneuverability. One soldier can unload the truck without leaving the cab, and remote control is an option too. Mechanics are particularly pleased because all models from 4x4 to 10x10 use the same spare parts. Military protective suits are also Lubawa lightweight RPG net screen equipment. This shield from Lubawa SA is an excellent fit for our selection today, as it's designed to protect vehicles from high-explosive anti-tank grenades. Its design is fairly simple, consisting of strings attached to a composite or aluminum frame and stretched to form a net. Surprisingly, the creates have applied for a patent. They also mention that their invention is incredibly lightweight at only 4.75 kilograms per square meter. The shield's modular design allows for easy replacement and repair of damaged parts. Helikon-Tex Ghillie suit. Seem as impressive, it's still valuable because it helps the wearer blend into their surroundings. There are options for forest, snowy areas and deserts with weapon camouflage included. Drawings allow for adjustments to fit the wearer's body. And Elbit Systems SPECTRO XR. Enhanced surveillance and reconnaissance equipment is essential to effectively address emerging threats. Take the SPECTRO XR for example. This multispectral electro-optical system is incredibly adaptable, making it suitable for airborne, maritime and ground platforms. It's so effective that it disregards fog, high humidity, haze, and other interferences using AI technology. The system effortlessly detects both moving and stationary objects and identifies them. It can even track up to 5 targets. Simultaneously, operators also have access to advanced features like image fusion and an AI analytics suite. Impressive, right? An unnamed Asia-Pacific country certainly thinks so, as they ordered $80 million worth of these systems in 20201. 03160 Raptor Project. Shipbuilders continue to impress us with their innovative designs, and it's quite possible that such vessels will soon safeguard water areas all over the world. For now, let's take a look at the project. 0316 Raptor patrol boats. These boats are an excellent choice for coastal operations as their capabilities extend beyond patrolling. If needed, they can transport a landing group of individuals and assist in search missions. The Raptor boasts an impressive speed reaching up to 89 kilometers per hour and is equipped with 14.5mm and 7.62mm machine guns. Additionally, it offers a range of 480 kilometers. NEROD RF. Affordable and user-friendly drones are highly beneficial for various tasks from water and crops to rescue missions. However, criminals also use them for illegal activities. For instance, in 2019 Heathrow Airport ceased operations due to an unidentified drone. MC2 Technologies presents the NEROD RF as a solution to this escalating threat. It takes just 30 seconds to prepare for firing, and the impact is visible within 5 seconds the drone receives. A strong dose of radio jamming signals obstructing the operator's commands. Depending on the settings, it either lands or returns to the takeoff point for optimal results. The NEROD RF can simultaneously target 7 frequency ranges. It's no surprise that this gun is employed by the French armed forces among others.